Okay, welcome back once again, ladies and gents, for our fifth demonstration here on the particular metal lathe. There is two more demonstrations to go. This is the one of them. What this particular part is for, ladies and gents, is to make sure that our actual cylinder, okay, is nice and square. All right. Now the process involves the use of an actual aluminium jig. The aluminium jig once again has a split in it. We're going to insert our particular cylinders together. So note the actual direction. The shoulder is up against the flange plate. The shoulder of the jig is up against the flange plate. Installing that into our particular metal lathe, making sure the split of the jig is between the two actual jaws. Gentle but firm, not over tight because it is an aluminium jig. We're ready to go. We're going to be using our turning and facing tool. That is the triangular shaped tool. We're going to bring our actual tool into the centre of our particular jig. We're going to kiss our face. We're going to zero our particular digital readout, clear our actual job. We're then going to traverse in around about 0.5 of a mil. No more than that, but we'll take 0.5 of a mil off here. So, setting up our particular machine, we can now go back to our zero marker. We can traverse in 0.5 of a mil. And then we can back our particular job out. And we have a very nice finished job. Now, from in that process there, ladies and gents, we have created a slight burr on the very inside edge here of our particular cylinder. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our actual turning and facing tool around to approximately 45 degrees. And we're going to take that little sharp edge out using the machine. Completed that particular part of the job. Caution, the job may be extremely hot, so do be careful. And then we can remove our job successfully from that area.
Very good.
All right, last one.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Looking at that one.
Looking at this one. Welcome, ladies and gents, to our final demonstration on this particular metal lathe for the Stirling engine. Once again, as we did previously with our actual little piston cylinder here, we're going to machine the face of our particular displacer guide cover in the same manner. Couple of notations once again. There is a reduced shank section here on the particular part of the displacer. That part there is a no-go area. That part there is a no-go area. That part there, ladies and gents, is extremely thin. Okay? It is extremely thin and also must be... Can
you just...
I was just thinking I might be better off in there.
That one in front.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
We're going to be machining the displacer cover here, ladies and gents. This particular part here will be machined in the same fashion as our previous piece. Okay, just a couple of notations. The actual reduced shank section here is extremely thin, okay, and is a no-go area for clamping. Okay, we're going to be gripping on the larger section of the particular cylinder, so placing that into the metal lathe. Okay, around about a 10mm clearance from the flange to the jaws. Okay, so about a 10mm clearance. Same process as before. Turning and facing tool, 1 to 2 degrees, turning and facing tool, about 10 degrees, coming into the inside edge, kissing the surface, zeroing our digital readout, clear, coming in, round about 0.5 of a mil, and there we have our machine job. Just beware the sharp edge on the inside of that cylinder. turning to a 45-degree angle. And there's our machine job.